Does the BMW XM Hybrid live up to its 700 HP beast hype? I'm Bradford, your guide to all things lavish and opulent. The BMW XM Hybrid isn't just a vehicle. It's a bold statement of the future, blending BMW's iconic design language with cutting-edge technology. Its exterior exudes aggression and elegance. The BMW XM Hybrid is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution on wheels. It challenges the status quo, offering a tantalizing preview of what the future of luxury and performance SUVs might look like. So, whether you're a car enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the fusion of digital and physical elements ensures that the driver is always in complete control, providing a seamless interaction between man and machine. In electric mode, the BMW XM Hybrid glides silently through the streets, offering a serene driving experience that belies its powerful capabilities.